Okay, this is a little video of a 600 to 5 multi-tap, including the boot time. We turn it on. You can watch the time on the video to see how long it takes to boot. Now downloading some job heading data. That's doesn't really apply to this. That'll be changed. You set the clock. Gone to DNS and got the address where it needs to upload the FTP, and now it's booted. So now we'll go to ratio. This CT saturates at less than 200 volts, so we're going to go ahead and press the hotkey 1, and then you can see that it will ratio each tap correctly. See, the red LED is on, indicating that X1 is energized. Which is the red jack. And it reads 600.20. Very accurate, well within 0.1%. The X2 blue jack is now energized. You can see the LED is blue. And that tap is 500 to 5. And you can see that's what it reads, 500.25.
That young fellow in accounting is a real hyphenated word for someone rising ambitiously. Brad, what do we say?
This tap is 450.
What is it, the no? Rhymes with summer. It's an up and cover. What is left, Jennifer? In 1942, British troops fought the Germans in two major battles named for this Egyptian coastal town. Jennifer. Now the last one. The name of this Keats poem means the beautiful lady without pity. Kim? That is correct.
And now we have the 200 to 5. You notice how it corrects for winding resistance. You get a corrected ratio on there. And now it's going through the saturation test. Now saturating in the X1 tap, and of course the red LED is on while it's doing that.
So I heard they added Ultra Oxy to clean power tie. It was just what we needed.
And there it has plotted the curve and recorded that data. Now saturating the X2 tap. Plotted that data. Working on the X3 tap. That's why the LED is green. And there is the X3 saturation data. And it has completed the test. And returned to the ratio menu. Thanks for watching.